Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off glance screen on Realme C67 device. When the glance screen is enabled, it allows you to see the notifications, time, date, and other relevant information at a glance, even when the device is locked. And then this feature helps you to stay updated without having to unlock your phone every time. But if you want to turn it off, then you can follow these ways. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, select display option here. And then, here you can just lock screen menu. Okay, and then scroll down till you find glance for Realme option. And then you can tap on it. Okay, and then you can turn it off by pressing this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off glance screen on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.